Hello guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Pay. So first, you just have to go to Google Play Store and then type Google Pay, or you can even download it to any web browser. All you have to do is to type Google Pay and you can download it. Now to start, they will ask for your Google account and your password. Now, once done, what you want to do is to simply open your Google Pay and they will ask for your phone number so you can send and receive money through this application. So once you input your phone number, you just have to click continue. And this is what it looks like. Now below here, we have options. We have home, payment, passes, and send. So if you want to add or link a card to your Google Pay, you just have to tap this payment right here. And then, as you can see, you can add a payment method or you can just simply tap add a card if you want to add a card. So if you want to add a payment method, you just have to tap this one and then you will see here options on any payment that you want to link to your Google Pay. So we have here examples. We have here debit card or credit card, loyalty card, gift card, and you can also have this transit if you have your card for transportation. Okay, so once you click any of this, and then you can simply link your card number. Let's just say if you want to add your Visa card, you can just simply add or enter your Visa card number, your PayPal account. If you want to link your PayPal account and also your credit or debit card, you just have to link your credit or debit card number. And don't worry, Google Pay is 100% safe. Now you can use Google Pay to purchase online, pay and send money. Now, many companies take Google Pay, including online retailers, app developers, and physical storefronts. Look for the Google Pay option at the checkout while using your phone or web. You can purchase, all you have to do is to link your payment method here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.